Hey there, Luke Kaliński from SNowIT speaking. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we are diving into some game-changing solutions that are designed to elevate your ServiceNow experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss out on the latest insights and innovative solutions we share here at SNowIT. Now, let's get down to business. This is an example of the flow. So as you can see, you have a trigger and then you have set of the actions that are executed. But let's focus on the right side at the moment. So in executions, you will see the list of executions of this particular flow. Also, we have managed to see the reports. So as you can see, current system default is off, but we are going to show on reporting level flows, actions, and the steps. So it means that we'll have access to see how they were executed. But this is not covered in this lesson. It will be covered later on. So now let's unfocus this and let me present you this right column. So as you can see in here, you got all of the data that are available during the execution. Also, you have here the nice feature to expand all of the data and collapse it. So now we can review what data is the output from this action, right? What is output from this action. And as you can see within this arrows, we are able to dog walk to the details, right? So we can go down, down, down. And later on, if we have a pill which we are interested in, we can drag and drop it to the execution section. So let's focus on the main board. So if I click on this trigger, you will see that the time when this flow is executed is when the corresponding catalog item is submitted. But let's see how other triggers looks like. So as you can see in here, I got at a trigger. If I open this, I'll be listed with three main lines, I would say. Record, scheduled, and application. Starting from application, as you can see, we can specify inbound email, REST API, service catalog, and SLA task as a trigger for our flow. In scheduled, we are setting up the frequency, how many times, or when, how often we want to trigger our flow. In record, we got record created, updated, or updated. If we choose created, we can specify the table. So let's pick up incident table. Now we can specify some filters for our record. So let's use state is new. So it means when the record is created and when state is new, we are triggering our flow. Also, we have some advanced options. So as you can see in here, we have when to run the flow and when to run the where to run the flow. So you can specify the time, when, etc. This should be triggered. So let's move out of this. Also, you can see some annotations, as for example in here, I'm placing some additional information for the end user, right? This can be also placed from this icon, and when I open the entry, you can see it in here. What is most important from flow perspective, also when you navigate to the right side, you can see these annotations in here. Now let's click this action. So as you can see, now we are able to select multiple actions, and then once it's selected, on the right side you will see this button to convert to subflow. So it means that selected actions may be moved to the subflow directly from the flow. The last thing that I would like to discuss is this stage. So as you can see, we have several stages during the executions, and once you navigate between the actions, you may see this add a stage button. If you click on it, you will be able to select the proper one. So that's how you can set up your stages. I appreciate you spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe and explore our website at snowit.co. Your support keeps us going. Exciting things are on the horizon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.